This is how to make a playlist public in Apple Music. If you have a playlist that you want to make public, first you go into the library and go into your playlists and find the playlist you want to make public. You can make a new playlist at any time, create new playlist. For example, when you make your new playlist, you can give it any name, and also you have the option for this playlist if you want to allow it to show on your profile in searches. So show on my profile and in search. If you don't want that, you can turn it off. But if you want the playlist to be public, you want to allow it like that. So add the check mark. You can add some songs, just few different songs, nothing, real preference here. Now this playlist is ready and it is playing, and you can always edit the playlist. You can change the privacy. You can even add some kind of an album cover or a custom picture. Even you can add a custom picture, something like this. You can add more songs or even remove songs if you want to delete the song. I can reorder the songs in the playlist just like this, and I can add some new songs just like that. So I added a few extra songs, and the playlist is visible in my profile and search. So the next step is to make sure that your profile is set up. So if you want your profile to be visible, the playlist you're sharing, you want it to be visible, you have to also set up your profile if you don't have it already. In the home view of Apple Music, you will have on the top right your profile picture or just your initials, and that's the account information for Apple Music. And you can set up a profile here. You can edit the name if you want, edit name, but if it says set up profile, it means you don't have a public profile, and you might want to set that up if that's what you want to share this playlist. And you can put here any name you like, just like this. You can choose any username you like and then continue to find contacts. You can find contacts or skip that, and you choose who can follow you. I prefer to have only people you approve, but it depends. If you want to have a public profile, you can choose everyone. You can choose if Apple Music will check your contacts, if you have new contacts. Also, you can choose to allow finding by Apple account or phone number. I keep it like this. I don't need that. And you can show your playlist. So this playlist is public, and I press done. Now that playlist is going to be public on my profile, and this is my profile. This is only a temporary profile, and you can view the playlist and you can play it. Someone who wants to share their playlists, you can do that. It's very easy. When you do this, be careful with privacy. You don't want to have all your preferences here, your favorites and everything, but it's nice to have some public playlists if you want to share them with friends, especially. Also, when you have your profile set to people you approve to follow, not everyone can follow you, but if you choose for everyone, anyone can see your playlist that you have there. Now this playlist is available for anyone who goes to this address, this profile, to see that playlist that I added here. This is the playlist I added it here, and this is how you make a playlist public in Apple Music. Thanks for watching.